Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I can remember as a kid always admiring those people who had those Studebaker cars. Well, today we're gonna look at a Studebaker radio. This is a radio from Jeff King's collection. He's been bringing me these radios to review on my show, and I appreciate it there, Jeff. And this one is a very, very unique radio. I'll turn it over here so you can see it. Isn't that a cool looking radio? It's AM, FM, and TV, back when you could listen to the TV channels on a radio, and the weather band. All those. And the front face here has the dial for tuning, like that. Has 3 buttons here, one to set the clock, has a digital clock down here. A light which doesn't, yeah, it does come on. I was thinking there was a light for this, but there's not. It's a backlight for the display, and I'm going to zoom in here in a few minutes. And then the mode switch, I haven't figured out what the mode switch is for. I don't know what that's for. Maybe that's for stereo. It has a single speaker, and it has headphones jack here, right there. Telescopic antenna here. This button here turns on the weather band. You push down on that, and then there's a little knob right back here that you tune the weather station, NOAA weather stations. And then here's a carrying handle, like that. Down here is the battery compartment, which I believe, let me open this up just temporarily, uses AA batteries. Uses 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like five AA batteries. I did notice Jeff got a little green growing there. Must have had a little bit of battery leak. And it also comes in with a built-in AC adapter. So this plugs right into your AC outlet. Let me see if I can get this back on without doing any damage. Carefully. I'm going to slide this sideways and over and around. We turn it around so I can get to it. Got to be very careful here. Is that on all the way? No, it's not on all the way. Okay, we've got to push down and over. There we go. So there it goes. And it works on AC fine. There's no noise or anything caused by the internal AC transformer adapter or whatever. And then, like I said before, you use a tuning knob. Let me lay it down on its side here, on its back, I mean. Try to keep it away from the lights and the glare, and then I'm going to try to zoom in. You can see that face up close. So there's the dial, tuning knob dial, right there. Nice fine tuning. Thing is in perfect condition. This is like brand new condition. The chrome is all nice and clear. The bezel here is nice and clear. Everything is in pristine condition. Now he did tell me that the little LCD clock here sometimes takes a few seconds to come on. So I've left it plugged in for a while, so it's working fine now. So let's turn this on. Over here, and we're going to lose the focus because I'm so close to the camera now that I've turned this over. So let me adjust the focus. Up too far, right there. So there's the on-off volume knob, and then here's the band select: AM, FM, TV1, TV2, which there's nothing on there anymore because TV went digital. Nothing on the bottom. This is a model SB 2603CB. And you can get these. I checked the internet, and these are available. I didn't really see any that were brand new, but I saw some new in the box on eBay. And the prices of these things are all over the place. I guess totally dependent on the quality of the radio itself. What this one is perfect. I'm going to find a box and get a towel and wrap this so it doesn't get scratched. It's in my possession. All right, let's turn it on. Babbled enough. Let's turn it on. Okay, I don't know what mode I'm in. I think I'm in TV. There's AM.
Right now in leadership in the state of Florida, and I think it's
such a pleasure to have my calm, relaxed, non-shedding puppy back, and I have to thank Dinovite for that.
Now that volume is about, whoops, I turned it off. It was about maybe 25%. And I don't want to turn it too high because you'll probably get upset if I hurt your ears.
Hey America,
there
is
you
there
go.
Anything you're truly proud of?
Tune it in right here.
Republicans. Good, how are you? Good, really.
Whoop. Okay, so that's AM. I'll switch to FM and watch. Let me go down to the low part of the AM band. I mean the FM band. Okay, we'll turn it back on. And I'll get the telescopic antenna out, which is very short. It's maybe 12 inches. I think I'm in the TV band. I think I went too far. Yeah. No, that's AM there. That's AM band. We try to flip down just one notch. Here we go. That short antenna is struggling. There we go. Well, that's music, of course, so got to be careful. It appears that the FM reception is a little low. I was trying to get back here. Let's see if I can read dial. Trying to figure out which dial I'm looking at. Oh, there it is, right there. Oh, no wonder. No wonder. The FM dial doesn't start till right there. So it goes around to here. Had it way back here someplace. So, no, that's why. Okay, let's try it again. Turn it back on. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, wow, these are two heavy questions. Yeah.
So there's.
Yeah, but I see where they're coming from. I mean, you know, you will reach people that.
That's the lower FM band. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that was my mistake. I didn't realize that even though the dial went way over here and around, that the FM portion didn't start till right here and around. That's why I wasn't picking up any FM stations over here. Okay, let's try the other band. We won't bother with TV because there's nothing on TV. We'll try the weather band, which, let me turn this back away from that, whoops, wrong dial, dummy. Turn this away from that music, and we'll turn the radio back on. And then we'll hit this button on the top, which locks down, and now we're in the weather band, which is marked I'm not sure where it's marked, but there, I've got a station already. We tune it in. Oh, it's, I forgot. Boy, I am a dummy. You tune it in the back with a knob in the back. There we go. Coming in strong. Okay. Oops. Oh, I've still got this on here. So when you're on the weather band, this is off, also the on-off switch for the weather band. Now, some people say, you know, you need to rehearse your shows. You need to do a script. Well, that's not as much fun. And kind of we discover together. And I'm discovering about this radio. I played with this radio for about a half hour, but obviously I overlooked some stuff. Like, for instance, the FM band doesn't start until over here, and I forgot that you tune the weather band on the back here. Let me get this down so you can see that one more time. Push that all the way down. You tune the weather band right here, not on the front dial, and that the weather, when you're using the weather radio, this turns it on and off. You don't use the dial over here. You use the dial for, still use it for volume, dial over here. Let me zoom back out. I'm too close. You can't see what I'm talking about half the time. Okay. So this is, like I say, this is called the Studebaker radio. And I gave you the model number before. It's SB2603CB. Really, really nice radio. And I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. I think he gave me 5 this time that I get to review. And he's showing me more and more of his collection, which he has a lot of radios. And I think that's about it. I am thinking about getting one of these for myself. This would, on a table, this would really look neat. And it gives you the weather band, it gives you AM and FM, and TV, of course, which is not there. I'm curious to if there's anything left in that TV band. Anyway, if you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye. And now I'm going to turn the fan on because it's getting hot in here.